Hey, Lacey here from Pearly Lace Crochet. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little star. You can sew it onto a pillow or a blanket or maybe even a backpack. You can make multiples of them and make it a garland. There's quite a few things you can do with it, and it makes a cute little accent piece. This particular one does curl, if you can see that there on the ends. Which actually kind of makes it good for a beach theme if you want to do like a starfish or something. But you also, if you're going to sew it onto something, you can just flatten it out as you're sewing. But you also can block it or use like a steam iron just to relax the fibers. You can also make them in all different sizes. All you have to do is change up your yarn and obviously adjust your hook size accordingly. But this is a size 3 yarn. I used an F hook for that. This is a size 4 yarn. I used an H hook. This is a size 5 yarn. I used an I hook. And this is a size 6 yarn, and I used a K hook. In this video, we are going to do a size 4 yarn and a size 8 or H hook. Now, you can either do the magic circle or a chain of 2 for this. I usually start with a magic circle, but for this one I find it better to do the chain of 2 so that way I can just crochet over my tail, but it does also leave a hole in the middle there. So if you don't want the hole, then I would use the magic circle and just close it up as tight as you can. So I'm going to chain 2, and now I'm going to do 5 single crochets into the first chain. Or if you're doing the magic circle, then 5 single crochets into the magic circle. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to do 3 single crochets into each stitch around. I'm going to go into my first stitch. This is always the worst one, at least for me anyway. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and into my next one. 1, 2, 3, and the next one. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to do 3 into each of the next 2. Alright, so I did 3 single crochets into each stitch around, so now I have a total of 15 single crochets. So now I'm going to do a single crochet into this next stitch. And now we're going to start our point. So we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. And then you're going to do a single crochet into the next chain, a half double crochet into the next chain, a double crochet into the next chain, and then a triple crochet into the last chain. Okay, and then another triple crochet into our single crochet at the beginning, the base of the chain 6. Okay, and now we're going to skip the next 2 stitches and do a single crochet into the third. then again, chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So then a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, a single crochet into the next chain, a half double crochet into the next chain, a double crochet into the next, and a triple crochet into the last. And then don't forget your next triple crochet into the single crochet at the base of your chain 6. Okay, you're gonna skip 2 again and go into the third stitch with a single crochet, and then you're just gonna do the same thing all the way around. We're starting our third point here, so when we're finished with that, we're gonna skip 2 more, go into the third stitch for our fourth point, skip 2 more, and go into that third stitch for your 5th point, and then I will show you what to do from there. Okay, so I made all 5 points. Now I'm going to do my last triple crochet and go into that single crochet. And now to finish it off, you go into that very first single crochet where you started your first point and do a slip stitch. And then we're going to cut that off and knot it. And I already crocheted over that, so that's fine. Cut that. And then I'm just going to weave this in. And cut that one off. And there you go. You have this cute little star. If you make some, please tag me on Instagram at Pearly Lace Crochet or on Facebook at Pearly Lace Place. Alright, thanks for watching.